Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Aisha. I'm going to share with you how you can submit your group's drug target PDB. I just need one group, one group to submit only one form. Okay, so please watch this video, because I will show you step by step how you can do that. In here, I will also include later on the group number, so then you can choose a group, and then you can then enter your this particulars that I need from you. So the first one, as you can see here, would be this question asking you to enter your choice of PDB ID. Your choice of PDB ID would be, if you just go to Google, need to go to PDB. The first hit would be this RCSB PDB homepage. Just click on that. And then you see this PDB stands for Protein Data Bank. It is a database of a lot of those crystal structures that has been elucidated from proteins, from enzymes, receptors, and many more. So what I need from you is that, so your task in this teamwork mission is to find out what kind of disease or conditions that you want to learn. You can also find out, you can start firstly from disease or condition, or you can start from drugs. Drugs you have seen earlier in the first year, or drugs you will be seeing in this year, or maybe drugs that you would probably see in the third or fourth year. So choose one drug. For example, here I'm going to choose one drug that I know very well. Zanamivir is an anti-influenza drug. So here I'm going to just click on that. And from here you can see there's a lot of models, crystal structures that has been elucidated from here. And you see, if you scroll down, there's a lot of them. What you need for the first entry in the Google form would be, this is the PDB code. The code is usually a 4-letter code. In this case, the code is 2HTQ. Okay, I'm going to choose one that I think will give you a better example. And let me just go. So in this case, I'm going to choose this code C6HCX as the first example. Okay, what is this PDB code C6HCX stands for? It stands for molecular crystal structure of influenza virus N9 neuraminidase A complex with, that is bound with, zanamivir molecule. Okay, these are the authors and the scientists that discovered this molecular structure. And these are all the technicalities. Okay, and here it says the macromolecule is neuraminidase. It's a protein. Okay, and there's also down there it says unique ligands. So another words for drugs in the language of molecular biology or language of medicinal chemistry would be ligands. I think you have seen this earlier, in the first year. Perhaps you have seen this earlier in the first year. So you can also scroll this down later on. So this will come in later. I will come to that. So once you have chosen a particular disease or a drug that you want to learn in this particular course, you go to PDB, you search in PDB what are some potential molecular structures that you want to study, and you choose one. So in this case, I'm going to choose 6HCX. I'm going to take this, and enter in this CHCX. Make sure it's all in capital letters here. And then the next thing is that enter the protein target. So in this case, the protein target you have seen earlier is this neuraminidase. Yeah, just copy that and then enter, just paste it in the second question. And the third question is that to enter the natural substrate of the protein target. Yeah, so you can search for that. It's if you click on this, it will take you further into the details of the model and so on. Okay. In this case, I already know what is the substrate. Yeah, remember your enzyme in FAR112, you have the protein substrate. So substrate in this case is sialic acid. All right. You can, if you're not sure, you can go on read a bit more on here. Yeah, what are the particular substrate? You can go on further. And the last part, yeah, last part here where it says enter the drug name and the given code. So the drug name and the given code, you can get these two from at the bottom here. So if you, after you've clicked that, all that, you've seen you've got the code, the 4-letter code of PDB code. Then you just need to scroll down. Here, there's a lot of ligands. There's this K, which is potassium, you have gold, glycerol, you have Ca, calcium, MAN is mannose, alpha D mannose, ZMR is zanamivir, BMA is beta D mannose, NAG is N-acetyl D-glucosamine, and so on. So there's a lot of things here. This is a bit crowded, I think, for a particular molecular crystal structure. But if you're not sure, you can always go up here and see what is the protein in complex with. So the protein is neuraminidase and it is bound to or in complex with zanamivir. So in this case, zanamivir is the drug. Yeah. So scroll down again, and what you find here is zanamivir. And what I need from you, yeah, to enter in the Google form is to key in the ZMR. Yeah. So go down here and enter the drug name. So the drug name is zanamivir. And just use hash key and enter the code, the given code in the PDB is ZMR. And once you have done that, you just click submit. All right. So I will put this up on YouTube, and what you need to do is just follow what I've shown to you step by step. Make sure that the drug or the disease that you have, your group have decided on, would be something very interesting. You know, that's something that you want to learn in this course in the next 3 months, and also make sure that it's not something that your seniors have done previously. Yeah, so I will go through the list of the PDB, ID and target, for example, and I hope there is no duplicates between the groups. And you know, at the same time, your drug or the chosen drug or conditions are not closely related. Yeah, just choose something. There's a lot of disease out there. There's a lot of disease conditions out there. There's a lot of drugs that you have actually seen earlier or going to see this semester. So choose something interesting, unique, and something you will learn from this particular coursework, and also something that your seniors haven't actually done earlier. With that, I thank you, and I hope you enjoy the whole course this year.